Fucking time like Van Damme. Gang chat type slang. Bad bitches like bang. Who's a cooler nigga out here than the edge and the high sense? That might change like the climate. Escom go shocked on my climax. Green spike will on purpose. I've been living like I'm old age. I've been sipping and smoking Cordley. I've been making on the market. Till the neck come ice aged. I've been on the low like I'm wanted. My ex rode a joint and then I toyed with a Rolex just for boredom to reference. Nigga, I'm too out of space, I'm beyond. Nigga, I'm never mailing by the box. Nigga, I was born rapping, born trapping. My own record has gotten the mode. Nigga, goddamn, my spirit's gotten revoke on me. In the same level on tiptoe and reverse wave motion. In the grain cause I'm lifted. In this game cause I'm gifted. Really mean like maiden. Shit too real, check my pockets. Better check me like the pendulum. The feedbacks for your baby mom. True levels got you hypnotized. Catch your mind, it's sweet enough.
Damn, nigga. Damn. This is how we do it, man. This is how we do it. Take notes.
I'm on it. I'm in it. I'm needed. I feel it. The demon. I've lifted. The system. I know it. I'm on it. I'm in it. I'm needed. I feel it. The demon. I've lifted. The system.